everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabby and today I have for you a booty burner. We are going to sculpt and round your butt today. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a brand new video. Super easy to follow along. Enjoy it. Let's get into it. Coming into your first exercise, you're going to bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Your knees are going to come underneath your hips. Now pull that belly button up, engage your core. You're going to send one leg backwards. So decide on the leg. I'm doing my left leg here. Send the leg backwards. The toe comes in line with your hip. You've got a nice straight line. Now slowly you're going to tap the toe down to the floor and bring it back up towards the ceiling. You're going to tap the toe all the way down and bring it back up. Now I want you to double check on your hip bones. You need both the hips pointing down and at the floor. So imagine you've got two little lights on your hips and they are both pointed down to the floor. Nice and slow, all the way down, tap, all the way, lift it up. Down for two, squeeze up and lift. Nice. We go down for two, squeeze up and lift. You've got it. We're going to take 4 more of these. Up to the ceiling, hips are down to the floor, really pushing in towards that glute of your working leg. 2 more here to go, tap, and then bring it back up and lift. 1 more, you're going to tap the floor, now lift the leg up. I want you to try to get your toe in line with your hip. So imagine your body is a tabletop, you're trying to create one beautiful line from your head all the way down towards your back toe. Now we're going to come into some oblique and booty work. So this working leg, the knee squeezes round to that same elbow and then push all the way back, hips go back down to the floor. So squeeze this knee round to the elbow and then press backwards, hips down to the floor. And you want to keep breathing in. Keep breathing, exhale away. So this is really great for really working into your obliques as well, working into your abs, helping to really trim the waistline down, squeeze round, push all the way backwards. Every time you press back with that toe, get the toe in line with your hip. We've got 3 more to go here. Squeezing round, you've got it, push backwards. You've got 2 more to go here. Press all the way back, hips down to the floor. You've got it, 1 more. You're gonna squeeze round and then press all the way back. Now you're gonna stay here. I want the hips down to the floor. You're really going to extend through the toe. Now everyone's going to lift that leg. Oh, you've got it 1 inch higher. And then we go. Tap the floor, lift up. Tap the floor, lift up. Every time you lift that working leg, I want you to be squeezing for dear life into your glute. That is how you're going to make it round and perky. Let's go a little bit faster. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. You've got it. Let's fatigue out that muscle. Let's build a round, juicy butt. Keep going, tap, lift, tap, lift. We're gonna hold stillness here in 10 seconds. 9, 8, you're gonna hold stillness. You've got it in 5, 4, we can do it. 3, 2, woohoo. Your glute should be on fire. Extend through the knee, hips down to the floor. Everyone is gonna lift their leg 1 more inch up to the ceiling. You're gonna squeeze your belly button in, engage your core, hold here. You've got 10 seconds. If you feel in advance, opposite hand behind the back. Don't worry if not, 8 seconds. 7, 6, we are done in 5, 4, 3, you've got it, 2, 1. Well done, just lower down to this position. Now you're going to send your forearm that was to the opposite leg, so I'm going to bring my right forearm down to the floor. This arm is going to go out to the side, just to ease off on that wrist. Same working leg, fire hydrant, squeeze to the side, lower back down. Squeeze to the side. I'm just going to come on the diagonal so you can see what I'm doing. So the working leg is still the same leg as the leg you just had. I know it burns with the same working leg, but you've got it all the way back down. So your working leg, that arm needs to be long out to the side to support. Opposite arm, you need it down on the forearm. Now this will come in towards your side foot. So it'll come into the side of your glutes, into that gluteus medius, all the way down. We're going to squeeze all the way up and lift. Woo. All the way back down. Keep going. All the way up and lift. All the way back down. We've got 4 more, then we're going to take a little hold at the top. You've got 3 more here to go. Squeezing it up. Lower back down. You've got 2 more here to go. Squeeze up and back down. Now last one, you're going to hold this one. You can do it. You're going to squeeze the leg to the side. Keep it up like that. Tiny little lift, 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 lift. I know. Up, up. So you want to imagine you're squeezing something with the side of your thigh to the ceiling. Little up. You've got it. Lift, lift. Just go 5, 4, close in 3, 2, 1. Oh, close the leg, we're not done. All the way up and down. Go a little bit more fast paced this time. Up and down. Now little cardio burst. You've got it. Do not fling about though. It is nice and controlled. We are burning the side of your leg. We go up, down, hold in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh my gosh, 3, 2, hold. Keep the leg up there. Get that leg shaking and burning. Give me 7 seconds. 6, 5, lift it higher. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to flip round just to the other side. So now you need the other leg working. Hands under the shoulders, knees underneath your hips. You're going to extend the opposite toe backwards. So I'm using my right leg. Slowly tap the floor. Slowly lift up. Slowly tap. You've got it. Slowly push and lift. Inhale. Exhale. Now to make this even harder, as you lift the heel, you want to imagine you're pushing something super, super heavy up towards the ceiling. So tap to the floor, squeeze all the way and lift. You've got it. Tap all the way down, push all the way up and lift. We've got 5 more here to go. Tap, squeeze up and lift. We've got 4 more here to go. Tap, push all the way up. 3, push up, lift. 2 more. Squeeze up and lift. 1 more. Now tap the toe. You're going to press up and hold. Back into that oblique work. So that same knee to same elbow. Oh, and then press backwards. Again, this is great for giving you that hourglass figure. We are sculpting in towards your waist. We're working your abs. We're working your obliques as you squeeze the knee round. Press it backwards, so make it count. Every time you extend that leg backwards, roll the hips to the floor so they point to the floor. Squeezing round to the side. Push all the way back. Lengthen. You have it. Just 4 more of these to go. Press all the way back and hold. Keep going all the way around. Squeeze back, lengthen. 2 more. Pressing all the way back, lengthen. You have 1 more, then you're going to hold it. Now squeeze backwards and hold. So the toe tries to get in line with the head. Try to create 1 straight line. You're going to tap the floor, lift the leg. Tap the floor, lift the leg. We're going to go down, up, down, lift. I know. Pump through that right leg. Get that glute burning. You are sculpting a round, perky bottom right now. So don't give in. I know you want to. I do as well. But we're going to continue. Get that heart rate high. Get that round, perky bum. If you are burning, it is working. So keep the burn. You've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold. Hold here. Extend the toe. Hips are down. Lift that leg a little bit higher. We're going to pulse here. Let's pulse and lift and lift. I know. Little extra and squeeze and squeeze. We're going to hold in 7, 6 pulses. 5, 4, nearly done. 3, 2. Now hold. We're coming to the end of the exercise. Stay here. Advancement. You can always bring your opposite hand round the back. If not, keep the hand underneath your shoulder and lift that working leg a tiny bit higher. Working your hamstrings, working your glutes, sculpting out some beautiful legs. Give me 7 seconds here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Well done. Last exercise. Same working leg. Opposite arm to leg down to the floor, hand to the side, and then you're going to bring that leg into a fire hydrant and lower back down. So I'm going to come diagonal again so you can see what I'm doing. You've got 2 90-degree angles through the legs. Fire hydrant, leg goes to the side, all the way up and all the way down. Whichever leg is working, that hand needs to be out to the side. Opposite forearm down to the floor to support it. Squeeze up, lift, all the way back down. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Again, this exercise is basically 3 in 1. You're working your abs, you're working your core, you're working your gluteus medius, and you're also getting a little bit of abductor work there on the outside of that thigh. Squeeze all the way up and lift, low back down. Give me 4 more of these, and you're gonna hold it at the top. We are gonna take that burner. Keep going, 3 more, you've so got this. Squeeze all the way down. 2, put an imaginary weight on your thigh, squeeze it high, and all the way back down. Last one. Press the side of the thigh to the ceiling, hold right there. little lift, lift, lift. You're squeezing something heavy up to the ceiling with your outer thigh. We are sculpting your legs today. Give me 5, 4, 3, back down in 2, 1. Oh, I know. All the way down, close the legs together. Now you're gonna open and close. Go open, then close. So 2 90-degree angles through the leg. Can we go here into a little cardio burst? But absolutely zero flinging. I want it controlled. Keep it in that 90-degree angle. You have 5, 4, 3, oh my gosh, 2, 1, hold. Keep that leg up there, 90-degree angle. Can you lift it 1 inch higher? Give me 7, 6, 5, 4, done in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Well done, everybody, in your glute workout today. If you'd like to team this with something else, maybe you want an arm workout with no weights, of course. I will still get those arms nice and toned. Maybe you want an ab workout, head back to my YouTube channel page and you'll find plenty on there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you again next time. Drop me any comments underneath. Bye.